Hey there, welcome to Unit 9B Learning Target I Can Factor Difference of Perfect Squares. So if we look at the reason why it is called that, it is because in this problem we have a perfect square, we have x squared, and we have 25, which is a perfect square. So what I want you to think about, x squared minus 25. Okay, so this is missing a b value. So thinking about ax squared plus bx plus c, we're missing that bx value. So what we could think about is this is the same as like x squared plus 0x minus 25. Okay, so as we think about this, we're thinking about what factors of 25 or negative 25 add up to 0. So, what factors? Okay, so here's negative 25. So we could have like 1 and 25. That wouldn't add up to 0. One of them could be negative. The other one we could have is 5 and 5. So negative 5 plus 5 is 0. So every time we see this, it's going to break into that perfect square, or the square root of 25 equals 5. So that's what we're going to see, and that's why this problem works in the way it does. So this breaks into x plus 5 times x minus 5. Okay, and again, it's because that b value cancels out. So if we look at what this multiplies into in the array, x and 5, x and negative 5, we've got x squared, minus 5x, 5x and negative 25. So again, that 5x and negative 5x, those go away. Those cancel each other out, and we're left with x squared minus 25, sorry. All right, let's look. So making it less complicated, here we have x squared minus 81. Well, we talked at length in the last one about why it works, but ultimately here's what we need to think about. The square root of 81 is 9, because 9 times 9 equals 81. So if you know 9, this is going to break down into x plus 9 times x minus 9. That's it. When you see the difference of perfect squares, it breaks into the square root of both of them. So something maybe a little bit harder is if we had 4x squared minus 49. Whoa. Well, in this one, we have a square root here. This is a square root, and this is also our perfect square. Those are both perfect squares. So if we think about this, the square root of 4x squared, the square root of that is, well, the square root of 4 is 2. Square root of x squared is x. And the square root of 49 equals 7. So that's our two factors right there. 2x plus 7 times 2x minus 7. Okay, write one sentence with a question or comment and bring it to class. Thank you very much.